a quick video on my Google Spreadsheet that I created for resources and tools for online teaching. I guess an online learning, but online teaching. So you get to the main page, which is the landing page. And the landing page just tells you how you have access to it. Notice that there are tabs at the bottom. The page is called Resources Tools for Online Teaching. You have tabs at the bottom, and each tab takes you to a different resource. So the first one after the landing page is the complete list of free resources. And it's divided by subject or by the type of resources rather. And so notice that you have the name of the resource, the URL, the description, and the tutorial videos if I have access to these. Each tab has its own thing. I also have a tab that's called To Be Checked Later. So when I hear about a resource that someone tells me, I'll type it here, write what it is about, and then go check it later. And only when I feel comfortable, then I add it to the list. So you can't edit, you can't comment. This is available on the web. Therefore, I needed to protect the Google Spreadsheet. What you can do if you want to keep your own copy for later, you will always have access to this one. Is you go File, make a copy, and you change the name to whatever name that suits you. Make sure you don't check, keep it blank, share with the same people, click OK, and then you have access. You can delete tabs, you can add tabs, whatever it is you need to make it yours. But you're always welcome to come back and check it. Every time I come back, I find there are anonymous, which means there are people checking it out. Thanks for checking my Google spreadsheet for online teaching and learning.